At Blindtex, we've introduced a range of motorised curtain poles. The curtain poles are available in black, white, silver, gunmetal grey and gold. There's also 4 finial options available. These range from an end cap through to a glass globe. For the pole itself, there's 2 sizes available, a 28 and a 38. I'll show you the internals of the pole. The 38 is available in both motorised and manual, while the 28 is available only in manual. For the brackets, we have both top fix brackets available, and we also have face fix brackets available. For the face fix, we have double brackets. These are available for a 38 and a 38, and also a 28 and a 38. These fit on top of the pole, so you can apply as many as required. For the width, it won't affect the curtain opening. Usually, the 28 would be manual and the 38 would be motorised, meaning that the shear at the back would be manual, meanwhile the main curtain would be motorised. For the double bracket, both curtains can be motorised, but a 38mm system is required for both poles. When you order a curtain pole, you will have this element on the pole, which is the motorised pole pulley. That is where the curtain motor fits. The curtain motor compatibility is for Somfy and Blindtex. All Somfy ranges from Glidia to Move Light, meanwhile it's compatible with Blindtex curtain motors. On this curtain pole you can also have pleated curtains and easy wave curtains that will sit below the curtain pole. If you'd like to have one of these boards in your showroom, please contact a sales advisor today and they can let you know regarding the pricing. Thank you.